Samsung Galaxy S6. Sorry, Samsung Galaxy S8. Scream. I'm disconnecting the sorry, disconnecting the fingerprint sensor. Fingerprints flex. I'm disconnecting it. That bit there. Take it out now because it's still warm now. It's hot and I can't take them out. Alt one, usually spin it, throw away. So just clean that one again. Screws. Screws, open it, all the screws here. It's all the same, it's the screws, same size. You don't need to worry if you mix them up. So now we are going to take the plate, ringer first, slowly put inside, while the charger flex, careful, and the top aerial put inside, just tap it, there's no screws or something in there, put it down, disconnect the battery. So I really like to check the screen first, have a look if the phone is working before I try to open everything. But it's the problematic is I don't want to really put the flex and the attention, because if it damage the flex for the new phone, for the new screen, it's not very good. For that reason I'm going to take it that in apart. So I'm going to disconnect the air flex, battery is disconnected already, the front camera and the side button for volume. Actually mainly that's it. Oh, don't forget to take the SIM tray out, is important. You should take that one first, I forgot to say it, sorry about that. So now we are going to push up the camera flex up and try to slowly and carefully take the main board out. Now it's hanging on the battery flex, put on the side. Now it's charging port, it's connected, that's it, it's out now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that one in there, and have a look. Our main board is good, or maybe the screen, we don't know. Well, this screen is normally okay because it comes from Samsung directly. Carefully take the battery out. So, battery out. Put the battery in there. Push a little bit that one, the board and the here that is connected with the power. There you go. Yeah, it's all good, it's look okay honestly, and I'm very happy with that. What's coming up, Galaxy S8. If any still damage to the software or anything, it's not the big issues because I can repair it. Mainly for me it was the phone is turning on and it's due, and I see the screen is look okay as well, it's no line or anything. Yeah, there you go, it's starting up. This means we can go ahead and change everything over. So disconnect it again. I'm going to take that one out, the main board. Now that stupid thing, whatever see before, I've never see that one, to put the white sticker inside the frame. It's not the big issues, it's just what they want to prove. You say okay, you don't damage it, if you damage it, it's no refund on them or what? But stupid. However, it's done anyway. We are going to concentration in the old main board. So I start with the first with the charging port. Open the screws. I'll put it in the order. Same with screws, honestly, same with screws, but I like to put these screws back the place where I put it in. I want to take it out. So we're disconnecting the jack, headphone jack. So you can get one of that one. I didn't save away. It's normal 3.5 for headphone jack. I have cut the wire. I'm using that one only. Put it in there. It's just there. Okay, lift it up. All right. And if it move, so there you go. It should come out easily. All right. So now we are going to take the charging port out carefully. There you go. There's a charging port. There's no glue or anything on it. Now we are going to put it next to each other. Be sure everything's there. Rubber on everything. You got the rubber gasket for the earpiece, for the microphone. It's all the same before you transfer. Okay, now we are going to transfer, put the charging port back in there. Oh, let me.
Another put a lock on it. It's since bought a new one. Is there any way you can unlock that and reset it to factory settings?
You mean the iCloud one?
So it's back to the normal phone? I don't know.
Do you know?
It was on plastic, which is piggybacks on the.
Or does it clean the inside of the charging port?
Do you know the password for the Apple
No.
ID? You need to know that one, otherwise I cannot do anything with it.
Oh, let me air it. Voila. Sehr schön, sehr schön. Very nice. So let's have a go in there. Okay. Just to be sure, is the holes for the screws all in level? Is in the right position? We don't want to really.
This one, my son's, it's just not charging at all. It's completely dead.
So there you go.
And last but not least, where is it? She doesn't use this for months, but she needs a dad to start on, Samsung phone screen smashed and doesn't turn on.
So let's have a look.
It's just not
I put the.
charging at all. The pin's broken inside, but that one's going to cost you £35. Oh, is that it? Lovely. £65. No, 35, thank you.
So that one here. Charging port. So voila. Sehr schön. So now we are going to rest the transfer over. Take the cover off from the heat sink or heat pad. Oopsie. Have a poopsie. So that one, take it out. That one, take it out.
So that will be the same price.
That one, take it out. And that one, take it out. So now I'm going to camera. The camera, careful with it. The flex, it's just what I do. The flex, the connection, the socket. I just will push it up slowly and just take it out at the same time. Okay. Okay, is something there? No. Okay, yeah. There's the camera. Now I'll put it back there. I'll take it out. Slide it in, and that's it. This is once. Now I'm going to take it the proximity. The proximity, I'll take it out. Just to be sure, it's all the rubber bit and everything is transferred over. But this is the original screen that I don't need to do it too much. Now I'm going to take the vibrator out, heat it up. Now I'm going on the side. You got like a gap there, just a little bit. Go in there. Where is the other one? Let's have a look at that one. You need to really go underneath to do that. We don't want to damage it. So Okay. Now. There you go. Yeah. That one out as well.
Fine, I'll get that. And I'll come back to pick these up. So that's 70 quid. Give me my phone number. She'll suit me, she really is. I get paid on the 7th, so there's no rush. I mean, it's been a couple of weeks, so.
Oh, you want to bring them back then?
Because I cannot stock them here.
Oh, you can't?
No, I've got loads of boxes
So
already and I need to.
it's all done, honestly. I've transferred everything from the old one to the new one. Just go to the final checks, everything done, honestly, yeah. Don't throw them away. Because example, customer come in and this is not working or the volume, we can't transfer it, you take them out and put a new one, or the earpiece. You know, you can't take them off and put in your new one.
Yeah, I'll do that then.
Transfer repair. Alright. So now I'm going to put the logic board in there. I first connected the charging port socket back in. Now you need to be sure that one, the camera socket, is not in the way. Okay, so just move it, let it give it a little bit touch, move it, that is not moving, it's not hanging. So I'm going to put the screen socket back in there, front camera and the proximity sensor flex. So now I'm going to put the aerial Wi-Fi and the, let me open that one again. I'm opening it to put that one in the right position. So I go one, the white one go on the top, and the blue cable.
Another few hours to boost up further, and the one or two times I've gotten it to get to
So,
the actual like home screen thing.
okay,
It's just gonna find
put it back in.
That's
Put the screen protector back in there.
no
So the white one go on the bottom bit,
Windows 10.
the white one, white cable go here, and the blue one go on the top. Alright, if in case you.
I don't think it's the processor, I think it's the hard drive.
Oh, okay.
Hard drive. When the processor doesn't
One.
go, processor go. If the processor goes, it goes and the laptop doesn't turn on anymore.
There you go. Boom, shakala. This is in there, in there, in there, in there. So now we are going to put the battery in. In battery, we are going to use the double-sided sticker. We are selling that one in online page as well. www.uniqueservicecenter.com or www.uniqueonlinestore.com. You can purchase them as well. So we are going to stick that one. Don't stick in the screen. This is the in the middle bit is your screen. This bit is the screen. You don't want to stick anything on it. If in case your batteries need to be changed, but this is not damage the screen. Alright. So 2 lines be enough.
No. Not to sending the information.
So
I cannot turn it on.
there you go. Just that like that. Let me take it out.
When I came to collect my laptop that you were unable to repair,
Oh, the Toshiba, yeah?
yes, the guy told me you had a Toshiba for sale as well.
One.
Very similar model.
Fuck off. I'm just asking my colleague.
You just need to clear the information of it because I'm using it at the moment. Windows 7 on it.
That one.
Is it pretty much the same as the one I have in?
Ah. Stupid. Put it back in there. So I'm going to put the back plate in. First stuff on top. And now
You
the
can run it off the main because I've disconnected it now, but how long the battery is going to last?
was just wondering if it was the same model.
No, I tried that.
No.
No. No. That is there.
I'm not tighten these screws. I'm not going to tighten, just to put it in there to hold it in a position. Honestly.
If it was 125.
Yeah, I think it's rocking. I'm using it daily.
Okay, how long would it take you to clean it up?
Okay, just to be sure it's not bumpy and it's not top. It's all sitting nicely in there. Now I'm going to put the ringer back in there.
Alright, I'll come back. Okay, lovely.
Alright, thank you.
Looking for a quote on replacement of report and battery because it's not charging up very well.
So, now I'm tightening the screws. If you bear with for a second, I'll pause it when you got the front. Yeah, sorry about that. I must go itself there. So we are putting back the screws for us in there, tie them up. You need to really send me the comment which phone you want really to be make video for repair, and if I got the option and I got the phone, I am happy to make a video and I'll repair it for you guys. And honestly, if you wanted to repair as well, you can send the phone to us and we can repair it through the post as well. Repair it and send it back to you. All the address and opening hours, phone number, contact details, all is in our website. Should be in description. If you subscribe to my channel, it's gonna be great as well. You see, this is a little bit bumpy there. I have not cared for, and this is a little bit up. Very hard to see it. Yeah. Actually, what I have done, I have to push the clips back. But I'll just go with your finger on the top there. Be sure it's all nicely is inside. It's no bumpy and there's no toe is hanging out. All the screws is fixed. Let's go through all the screws again. Be sure all the screws is tight, nice tight, in, straight. Very good. So I'm going to turn it on one more time. Yeah, perfect. So now we are going to put camera lens back in there. I don't really like that stupid glue what's come with it. That one. I put my that in. I prefer to put my own glue in because I know where it stands. So we'll put that one back in there. Oh, I did the wrong one. Sorry. Long warm day today. So just check it. It's all matched together. Yes, very nice. Yeah, perfect. Honestly, work everything. It's perfect. So I'm going to turn it off now. And now once again, I have not checked the air speaker. Why is not cause any noises? For the meantime, while I'm doing that one, I'm going to stick that. Warm, warm, warm. I like warm. People moaning, oh, why is too warm? It's too warm. I cannot breathe. I cannot go out. It's too warm. And it's going too cold. Oh, it's too cold. Why is it so cold? Is it? I cannot go out. It's never be happy. But I personally, I like warm. Warm is make you happy. Cold make people miserable and angry. So. I need it in a minute. So let's have a look. Why is not making any noises? Go back to the testing mode again. A star hash is 0 star hash. And now we go look at the first speaker. Yes, all good. Turn it back off again. So we are going to take them out. You need to tell the customer it's not going to be waterproof after anymore. The phone. So put that one back in. This is 1. And this is 2. The flexes need to be down. Alright, don't put it wrong way. Alright, just have a check, is everything okay? Yeah. Clean inside the lens. If in case your fingerprint mark or anything. Now we are going to glue that one. White glue I'm using. Not glue, sorry, double sided sticker. M3. Oh, we got something underneath there. I don't know what the hell out there. There you go. That one was out as well. Okay. Nicely and put on the side. Watch and learn. Watch and learn how I'm doing it. Because some phone shop who repairing it, when I bring it, pick out some in the shop, it's unbelievable them repair. So I use the bloody super glue to glue it in there. How can you bloody work in a phone shop and use a super glue? So we are going to take them out. Now we are going to connect that flex socket to the main board. It's a little bit tricky, but it needs to be done. One second, this is the hanging there, I see. No, it's too short. I need to do it that way. Okay. Now put in the right position. Put it back in. Now we are going to heat it up, make it hot. The glue is nicely stick together, and we are done. There you go, it's all done. Ready to give the customer. If you have any question, drop me email or comment. I'll try my best to help you. If you need any part that I'm using here or any tools, go to our website and purchase from there. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. K1 Repair Center. Oh, once again, no, it's not K1 Repair Center. We need to wait. Have a look. Why is not? It was okay. Let me just check everything okay. Touch. Oh yeah, it was just a starting up problem, but this look good. Yeah, it's all good. Alright, if you have any questions, just drop me a comment. I'll try my best to help you. Thank you for watching K1 Repair Center.